Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, ADA broke out of this ascending wedge. I already explained that these wedges, they often break to the downside, more or less here, yeah. So now it's adjusted. They often do break to the downside, and we can see that now. I have still only three waves to the upside in an ABC structure, so another low is currently still expected. In parallel, I'm watching for the potential that ADA could have completed a more bullish structure here. And we are going to talk about that, what that means and what the levels are that ADA now needs to hold, or that the bulls need to hold in order for a continuation to the upside, okay? So at the moment, as you know, we had quite a strong sell-off here into June. Price has recovered a bit, but only in 3 waves. A recovery was expected in a 4th wave. ADA did that. However, did not break above the 30.4 cent level. That was, I took that area off the chart now, but that was the area that is still a valid interpretation, or still a valid resistance area for a wave 4. Had it gone above 30.4 cents, something more bullish would have been more likely, but ADA didn't do that. ADA did not break above 30.4 cents. And if you've been watching the videos in the last few days, then you know that was a key level. So from that point of view, rejection at our 50% retracement level, and we had a trend reversal area up here, which I took off the chart, that worked out, and we're now heading to the downside. But it is possible, and I've changed it from yesterday's video where I had a 1-2-1-2 setup to a larger wave 1 now. That's just due to the internals here. The subdivisions make this bullish interpretation of the wave count more likely. So we also have a bullish interpretation. Don't get me wrong, there is always a bullish one, but I don't trust this one. So I'm primarily expecting another low at this stage, as long as price only shows us 3 waves to the upside. It did not provide a clear 5-wave move. I can interpret it as a leading diagonal with 5 waves here in the yellow wave count, but again, I don't trust it. That last high didn't really go high enough, and yeah, but it is a possibility, it's a potential. I just want to put it out there as potential to watch. And then the area between the 50% retracement and the 78.6 retracement is the area to watch. 26.2 cents and 23.8 cents. Yeah, somewhere here in a more bullish wave count, we should see a reaction. If price wants to put in a lasting low, this is where we should see a reaction and then go higher. But again, I don't trust it. Why do I not trust it? I don't trust it because, first of all, I do not trust leading diagonals anyway. This is not an impulse to the upside, so we cannot trust it. As you can see, it can be easily interpreted as an ABC structure. So how does price convince us? Well, it would need to put in a 3-wave move to the downside in this WXY structure. So another low is likely. And it would then need to turn around in the support area. It must not drop below 23.8 cents. If it does that, another low in the white wave count is basically getting confirmed. And if it then breaks above the wave 1 high at 30.5 cents, ideally in an impulse, that's how it will convince us, okay? And then we have a confirmation that it is put in a lasting low. Until then, we have no valid reversal pattern. It looks very corrective, and yeah, the bullish count, I don't give it much probability until it can hold support, and then it will increase further in likelihood if it breaks above the 30.5 cent level. Until then, and you can clearly see that we only have a 3-wave top, which makes another low very likely. And I would pay attention to 26.2 cents, 25.2 and 23.8 cents. That is where, especially down here, is the level where the risk is sitting in the yellow wave count. Okay, that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.